Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about 3 best brake pads for Jeep Wrangler JK that you should buy. Let's get started. First up on the list is the Wagner ThermoQuiet ceramic disc pad set. When driving into the sunset, it's very important to have trust in your brake pads. No matter how much experience you have behind the wheel, with faulty pads, especially on an icy road, things might end badly. Wagner's ThermoQuiet set is one of the best picks for a Jeep Wrangler owner. First of all, it is easy to install. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. Secondly, thanks to forward-thinking tech, the wheels will stay clean, heat-free, and you almost won't hear them working. This company has always been known for its exceptionally durable, reliable, and safe brakes, and ThermoQuiet is not an exception to that rule. Up next is the PowerStop brake pads. Jeep owners looking to conquer the closest mountain, forest, or desert will probably be very pleased with these brake pads. They boast industry-leading stopping power, clean, dust-free wheels, and almost complete noise reduction achieved through dual-layered shims. On top of that, the pads come with a powder-coated plate that protects the brakes and wheels from corrosion and rust. Plus, the package includes high-quality grease. Off-roaders have 3 configurations to pick from: truck and tow, carbon fiber, and ceramic. The only downside? PowerStop is more expensive than the other 2 brake pads on our list. If you've got some extra bucks to spare, these will be money well spent, especially in the long run, thanks to enhanced durability and reliability. If not, well, consider going with Bosch or Wagner. The third product on our list is the Bosch ceramic disc brake pad set. Thanks to the high-quality aerospace alloy, these Bosch brake pads will serve you for many years. Copper-free ceramic also adds to durability and reliability. Plus, it's an eco-friendly material. As for real-world performance, you'll most likely be pleased by how strong the pads are and how little noise they make. Last but not least, the pads come with an OE-style rubber core shim that adds braking strength and reduces noise. It's also corrosion resistant and will protect the brakes and the pads for a very long time. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.